final and you have the kind of physicality that Croatia brings to the team or to the game, you cannot count them out. What we have noticed about this World Cup is the fact that physical fitness and most of the players bring a physicality which most of them are about 6'1", 6'2", in some cases 6'3". It plays an important part in the game. Do we want to take bets? I don't know who you expect to win, Skipper Brown, but those are some of my comments. We can continue.
Good day to all of you. Good to see football families. This is what it's all about. You know, and it's good that we have moved away from home to being an environment that we can all enjoy and share the game. Look at the game here, Mark, that Mbappe and Gerrard have not really done anything for this France team, and they are leading, and that is for me a good thing for the champ. He must be feeling good that Mbappe has not played a role in the winning, being leading at the moment, and should be feeling good. But the Croatian team have reminded me so much of Boys Town team that we have played. They're a unit. They have been playing well. They have no plan to give up on this World Cup, and they're not going to go away until that final whistle. So if France feel that they have won now, they're in serious trouble. They have shown, they have gone 3 games in extra time, and they are willing to play that. As a matter of fact, I believe that they are willing for this one to go straight into penalty shootout, which they believe that they can win. So we'll continue to see this game. It's an exciting final so far. Pogba, Mbappe, and Gerrard Davis will make the big difference right now.
Well, it's about the midfield. Skipper Brown and I were discussing who are the players that have made an impact in this World Cup. No doubt that Luka Modric is one of, if not the best midfielder. And today in France, N'Golo Kante is again one of the players that could be the player of the tournament. So is it going to come down to that? I also believe that Mario Mandzukic is one of the top scorers in the world. And as you saw what he did against Carl's side, England, he took them out. But one of the discussions we had with Charlie earlier was about, and we'd love to get your opinion. How do you feel about the VAR? Do you think the VAR was, I thought it was an added excitement. The tension, especially like when the referee went to consult, I just thought that he took too long. But I wanted to ask, like this gentleman right here, what is your opinion about the VAR?
For the VAR, I think it's a problem with intention, especially with references in games like the World Cup and the finals. It's important to make sure that your decision calls are correct, as we saw here. So I'm a big supporter of the VAR.
So it's a good addition.
Yes.
My friend here, who is a real football fanatic, what's your opinion on the VAR? Do you think it has added something to the game?
I think it has added something, but at times you wonder if, because it's a new thing to understand how they really use it. There are times when you think that when you look at the VAR, you wonder what they're really seeing. But I have been told that it has to be, what are the 2 words? Clear and obvious that the ref call was not right. So I think it's a good thing because at the same time, see what has happened and change or go with the decision.
Alrighty, let me come over this side and ask some of my Brazilian people here as to what's your opinion of this World Cup? Has it lived up to all the expectations that you anticipated?
Not really. I was expecting more from Brazil and Argentina, especially the 2 stars. But I didn't know it's a very competitive game and they just couldn't do it by themselves. They needed more help from the rest of the team and they didn't get it.
So when Brazil went home, you lost interest in the World Cup?
No, I didn't lose interest. So I'm a fan in general, but Brazil was my favorite team outside of the Jamaican team, of course. But I really was expecting more from Brazil.
All right, thank you. Let me come over to my good brethren here. Long time fan of football, and give me your opinion of the World Cup and what has been happening, and about this morning, how you feel, and you're in lose in France?
Absolutely. Yes. I think the World Cup has been a road to success. VAR, I think, is a welcome addition to the World Cup. They should have introduced it years ago. It would have made a major difference in our tournament. And I'm very interested in the test results, the drug test results of that Croatian team after the game. Because if they continue at the speed like
You know, he wants an excuse if he loses, you know? No, it's been a wonderful World Cup, and Skipper Brown, your comments?
I'm telling you, there's a subject on the VR, we have seen so many changes in football over the years. And it's always been. We look at the fact that goalkeepers weren't allowed to take up the ball when it was passed back to them. And we had people who protested that, but we have seen it has gone on and it has helped. Goalkeepers here are problem. Goalkeepers are problem here. No, it's not off. Hello? 1-1. Yeah. Goalkeepers are making 20 or 30 passes per game now, And VR for me as admin, we just witnessed something here in this final that could have gotten away. The referee had made a decision that it was nothing had happened there, but we see VAR as penalty. I believe that we are seeing this is something that is being done in basketball and in major sports. And it is an addition that I think will help the game. All of us here who have followed the World Cup could probably talk about one incident that happened in the previous World Cup that VAR would have helped to watch. So for me, it's a great addition.
You're talking about Maradona,
Of course, Hands of God there was here. So for me, it's a great addition, and I'm certain that we'll continue to see. We'll continue. Going in and out.